that a Blackberry? Ring. Got a Blackberry. That's cool. But it doesn't quench my thirst.
Say outside and see what beat. Say, I got my G-Star boys with me again. Chris Charming and my boy Sleep. We got the new dance, yeah.
Ring, ring. Ring, ring, ring.
Hello. Hey. Okay. Well, that's okay. I'll still be here. I wasn't sure how to end that skit because I didn't think the ending was too good. So we're just gonna dance right here in the school bathroom.
I'm pink.
Amy's pink. I don't know if you can see us.
If you hear
Dance. Dance. On the ground.
Yeah. Gold in your teeth, hat turned sideways, looking like a fool with your pants on the ground.
Okay, goodbye from the Hoopla Show.
Yeah.